Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I am Olayemi. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make digestive biscuit. This is an whole wheat digestive biscuit. I'm going to show you how to make this biscuit recipe. I'll be using 2 cups of all wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll gently mix my dry ingredients together. Then I'm going to step it aside. I'll be using 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. You can as well use margarine. Then I'll be using 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I'll gently combine my butter with my sugar. Then I'm going to mix this until everything is well creamy to get our perfect texture. This is going to take up to 5 to 10 minutes to get your perfect creamy texture. This is the outcome after 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add my already mixed whole wheat flour. Then I'll give it a quick mix until everything is cooperated to form a lightly dough. This is the outcome. I'm gonna use 5 teaspoons of milk, but I'm gonna add it gradually. At this point, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of milk, making it 5 teaspoons of milk. Then I'm going to combine to get our dough, our biscuit dough. This is the outcome of the dough. After adding the milk, you do not need to add water. You can gently work this on the surface. Just a little bit of work. Do not overwork it. So I'm gonna put it on baking sheet. Then I'm going to work it a little so you see how it looks where I work it. At this point, I'm gonna add extra baking sheet. Then I'm going to use my rolling pin to roll it to form a flat surface. If you do not have a rolling pin, you can use a bottle. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the baking sheet. Then I'm gonna start cutting my dough to get my digestive biscuit. You can use any little round shape cutter to cut this just to get that round shape of our digestive biscuit. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to remove the extra part of the dough. Then you can as well repeat the same procedure with the rest of the dough. If you split your dough into two, at this point I'm going to, if you have the alphabet shape, later you can as well give it a name if you want, any name of your choice. Then I'm going to use a pin or a toothpick to give it a shape of digestive biscuit, just the way I'm doing in the video. This is the outcome. I already put it in the baking pan. Then I'm going to transfer it into the oven and bake for 30 minutes. So this is the outcome of our digestive biscuit after baking it for 30 minutes. It looks really crunchy. You can enjoy this digestive biscuit with some warm milk, or you can enjoy it with some beverages as well. Please do not forget to like this video, and please remember to share this video with your lovers. Feel free to leave down a comment in the comment section. Please make me happy by subscribing to my channel and watch more of my videos. There are lots of recipes coming. Hope to see you next time. Be safe. Thanks for watching.